Hello students, now we are going to start discussion about the skill development lab part 2, in which we are going to learn R language for data science. Now here this is a lab manual for this subject. So let us go through first through this. So in this lab you are going to learn about the data science with R. Now the examination scheme, term work marks are 50 marks, so it will be shared for Python as well as R programming. Now there are 2 hours theory for this subject and there are 2 hours practical per week per batch for this lab, only for R language. For Python you will be having separate 2 hours. So like there will be total 4 hours for this lab weekly. Now before moving to assignment, let us discuss what are the institute vision and mission. So it is, as you can see, to achieve academic excellence through persistent and synergic collaboration among us all stakeholders. Similarly, you can see here our mission to ensure holistic development of students as lifelong learners and problem solvers through the value-based quality education, to motivate faculty to attain the state-of-the-art knowledge and wisdom in their domain and be a facilitator towards co-creation of knowledge, to frame and deploy conductive and empowering policies for multi-phases growth of students, faculty and staff to make them contributors towards excellence, to partner with industry for mutually beneficial relations, to generate employable and deployable workforce, to satisfy the aspiration of alumni, parents, society, region and nation at large by generating technically competent and contributing manpower. Our quality policy. So VPKBIT has student-centered institutional development as a motto. We are committed to pursue academic excellence, to develop a student with a comprehensive technical knowledge and integrated personality. We prepare students to think globally, act locally, involve individually and systemize institutionally to meet emerging industrial and social needs. Now let us see departmental vision and mission. So the departmental vision is to achieve excellence in field of computer engineering with consistent and collaborative efforts of every individual. The mission of the department are to develop students with fundamental advanced tools and technologies to work as skilled computer professionals with ethical values, to promote faculties for higher education and expose them to current trends, to enrich educational quality, to provide appropriate environment with required resources to achieve academic excellence, to develop hand-in-hand relation with industries for catering institute industry needs, and to apply collaborative efforts to make students competent to provide solution to social problems. So we are definitely dependent on you students for achieving this vision. Now what are the departmental program educational objectives? So first is apply the fundamentals, domain knowledge and modern technology of computer engineering to analyze, design and implement effective solutions to engineering problems. Students will be able to identify the needs of society and deal with professional ethics, sense of responsibilities, understanding of legal, safety, health and cultural and environmental issues, to motivate students for lifelong learning, investigative approach, multidisciplinary thinking and competitive exams. Students will be able to achieve successful career in different roles and responsibilities. and to nurture students for strong managerial and communication skills to work as an individual and team members. So again, with different initiatives, we are trying to achieve these objectives. Now these are the departmental program outcomes which are common for all the engineering education. So it is just to tell you there are 12 defined program outcomes which are expected to achieve after completion of your engineering.